Good afternoon. Today we're going to take a look at a Tesla Model 3 2021 that has been tinted with the XPEL XR Plus ceramic tint. On this car, 45% VLT film was installed on the sides and back window, while 70% was applied on the windshield. The goals with this particular tint job was 1. To reduce the heat transfer into the cabin, and 2. To slightly darken the Model 3's very bright cabin design when you were looking at it from the outside, and 3. To minimize the attention from law enforcement by not overdoing it as far as the darkness of the tint applied. Now let's take a look from the inside. The back window was done in one large piece, so there are no unsightly lines where the installers had to try and meld from the XR Plus film into the existing factory tint gradient. Instead, the entire back window is slightly darker than factory from top to bottom. No tint was added to the moonroof glass, as it already comes pretty well tinted from the factory. This does result in the very top of the back window being just a little bit darker than the moonroof, but you can barely tell unless you're looking specifically for it, and overall I thought the effect was pretty close to perfect. I may do a more in-depth video regarding the hows and whys of tinting a Model 3, as well as how the process went and the associated costs, so if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.